Hey everybody, and welcome to the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations. Very sound. It's very sound information that we pass along each day. I'm Gandharva. If you enjoy these daily videos and have been enjoying them for the over 2 years that I've been doing them, if you feel like you get something from them, if they affect your life in some positive way, please consider donating to the cause. The links to donate are right in the description of this video. That would be very much appreciated. Thank you. And please subscribe if you're watching on YouTube, or give it a like, give it a thumbs up. Even on Facebook, give it a like, give it a love. Today's Tuesday. Today's Warrior Day. Warrior. What does it mean to be a warrior? Not being afraid. And just going, boom, straight ahead. Never wavering, never second guessing yourself. So, for all of us, it's being in the moment, no matter where we have the warrior, or no matter where we have anything. Really is about being in the moment. For the warrior, especially the spiritual warrior, it's very much about being present so that you are able to respond in the moment. Not respond from the past. Not respond from thinking about the future, what's going to happen, what might happen. If I do this, this might happen. Or basing your actions, your responses on what you've done in the past, what has happened in the past, what worked in the past, what didn't work in the past. None of that matters for the warrior, because the warrior is in the moment, and in the moment, anything could happen. So, when the warrior is in the moment, they're responding now. And you're not responding from your thinking, from your thought. It's just happening. It just happens, right? So you want to be open to that. Open to the happening. So not being afraid is part of this. There's no way of being afraid in that moment. So try this, whether you're a spiritual warrior, whether you're a warrior in desires, you're a wannabe warrior, whether you're a warrior in relationships, warrior in career, warrior in emotions, warrior anywhere. Maybe you're a warrior for fun. You like to do exciting things, challenging things. Try today just responding not from the mind, but responding without thinking, responding in this present moment. And see how that changes your responses. See how that changes see how it changes the effects, the outcome. Not that you're attached to the outcome, but because a warrior just responds from almost like reflex. It just happens. You don't think about it. Boom. If you thought about it, it's too late. You've lost. If you have to think about it, you're wasting time. And a warrior is not about wasting time, my friends. Don't waste it. We have not a lot of time to be effective in this life, to be helpful in this life. It's really not a lot of time. So use it. Use the time you have wisely. And just respond, Don't think about it. Then you can take advantage of Tuesday. You could be a ninja, no matter where you have the warrior.